So yes, here I am again. For some reason the image froze. So the beach, two little chalets, a very large parking lot. We are at Seabird, the absolute last point of civilization at the end of the Karpas Peninsula. The monastery there in the distance, the Seabird, and in about half an hour we shall start our final walk. What you see now in the distance is the right end of the peninsula, Cape Andreas, or as we call it in Turkish, Zaferburnu. We are going to walk there. Roughly 3.5 kilometers to go, so not very far. And I'll show you more about the Seabird now. I'm very lucky. We have full coverage for the phone, for the mobile data from Telsim Vodafone, which happens to be our communication sponsor. Lots of people in the restaurant. It's not a huge place. Sea life decorations. And guess who's here? Hello, Denise. You pretend you're not here. He pretends he's not here. And these are the rooms. They have 6 rooms in total. This is all. This is the whole complex. I have asked the prices for the rooms. Double room, half board, which means 2 people including breakfast and dinner, costs 650 Turkish lira. But they are fully booked for months in advance.
Mom, look here. Mom, look here.
Yes, I can see. So if you're planning to come to the Seabird, you have to book your room probably 2 months in advance, because they only have 6. So this is the one before last live transmission. In about 20 minutes we are going to start walking to the end of the island, where we shall have a live transmission for the last time. It's been 28 days, a long time. I'm tired, very emotional. See you at the end.